Hello there, welcome back to the second installment of Guitar Covers by George. Today I'm going to be playing Hurt by Johnny Cash for you guys. If you're here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment down below, or thumbs up, thumbs down this song, depending on how you're feeling. Hope you enjoy. I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle makes a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end, and you can have it all. My empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt. I wear this crown of thorns upon my liar's chair, full of broken thoughts that I cannot repair. Beneath the stains of time, the feelings disappear. You are someone else, but I am still right here. What have I become? My dearest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end, and you can have it all. My empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one. Till next time.